Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to create motion detection regions on your DVR. So the first thing we're going to want to do is right click on the screen and then select main menu. On the main menu, go down to setting, which is going to be at the very bottom, and then click on the button that says event. In event, make sure that detect is selected on the left hand side and that we're under the tab that says motion detect. Then use the drop down to select the channel you want to work with and make sure that the checkbox next to enable is selected. Then click the button that says Setup next to Region. The first thing we're going to want to do is clear out this Region 1 that's already in here, so we're just going to go to the upper left-hand corner and click and drag to the bottom right-hand corner. Then hover your mouse over the top of the screen to bring up the box, and select the sensitivity using the slider. Then we're going to use the slider below that says Threshold to set another value for the threshold for this region. And then we're going to go to the upper corner of where we want this region to be, and then click and drag to the lower corner. So I'm just going to put it over the store, so I'm going to click and drag. Okay, great, and now I've created my first region. You can have up to 4. In this case, I am going to demonstrate how to do 4. Your entire screen doesn't need to have a region, or you can only use 2 regions to cover the entire screen, but I am going to do 4. So I'm just going to hover over the top again and click on the button that says Region 2. You can see that for Region 2, there's only a threshold slider. That applies for 3 and 4 as well. I'm going to give this one a threshold of 0. And then I'm going to go to the upper left-hand corner of the area I want this region to be on. And then, just like last time, I'm going to click and drag to the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, great. So now I have 2 of my 4 regions. To do my next one, I'm once again going to hover over the top of the screen and then click on 3. And then I'll use my slider to select a threshold region for this. I'm going to do 100. And this one I'm going to do in 2 different locations, just above the red. And I'm going to click and drag, and then just below. So I'm also going to click and drag down there. Okay, now I have 1 region left to do, and it's region 4. I'm going to set the slider value once more for threshold. And then, just like I've done every other time, I'm going to click and drag from the upper left corner to the bottom right corner. And now I've created 4 different motion detection regions. I have region 1, which is red, and that is right in the middle. I have region 2, which is yellow, and that's over on the right-hand side. I have region 3, which is blue, and region 4, which is green. And that's how you create and modify motion detection regions on your DVR.